Hey everyone, I'm Devan with Marine Connection, and behind me sits the Sea Hunt Gamefish 28 FS. This boat's designed for serious tournament anglers, but also adds the added convenience for the family. Let's hop aboard and take a look. One of the best features about this Gamefish 28 is the side door. It's perfect if you're at the sandbar, out fishing or swimming, or if you have to pull in a big catch. It just gives you ease of access to board or unboard the boat without having to go through the back. Starting at the business end of the Gamefish 28, we have dual live wells, a rear bench that tucks away, 2 in-floor fish boxes, and rod holders and tackle storage all throughout the boat. Moving forward at the helm, we have our dual Garmin 16-inch screens, all of our switches, our Yamaha joystick and autopilot, our Yamaha CL5 gauge, digital throttles. Up top we have our VHF, all of our light switches, our windshield vent, also our misting system in the hardtop. This boat's set up to keep you comfortable on the water all day long. Underway, the Gamefish 28 handles beautifully with a deep V and Carolina flare. This boat tracks beautifully in the water. It's powered by the twin Yamaha 300s. You're going to be cruising at mid to high 30s. Gives you plenty of range for your offshore runs. Inside the console, we have our full head compartment. We have an electric toilet, a sink, fully finished walls, making this boat an awesome family or fishing boat. Moving up to the bow is what makes this Gamefish 28 the FS. FS stands for forward seating. You have full bow loungers with insulated storage boxes below them. Also in the bow middle here, you have an electric table that will come up to make a sun pad or into a table, making this a great place to lounge when the rods are put away. The Gamefish 28 FS has all of the performance of an offshore tournament fishing boat, but still has the comfort for the whole crew. My name's Devan, I'm with Marine Connection. Thanks for taking a look at this boat, and remember, life is better on your boat. Take care.